Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you guys want to set up Telegram two-step verification, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. You can directly start by opening up the application called Telegram on your mobile device. And once you open it up, you can look out for the hamburger menu icon on the top left of your screen and go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you go ahead and tap on it, you can select the option of settings from the given options and open up your Telegram settings first. And once you open up your Telegram settings, what you can do is you can look out for the privacy and security option from the given options available and select it. After you select it, you just need to go ahead and tap on the two-step verification option available and tap on it. And once you do, you can start up the process of setting it up. So you can start by setting up a password. You can tap on set password. And once you confirm it up here, you need to go ahead and create a password. So you just need to confirm by creating up a password. Let me just go ahead and do so. And after you complete it up, you can look out for the arrow icon in the bottom right corner and go ahead and tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it, again, you need to re-enter your password to confirm that you would like to set up a two-step verification and complete it up. And once you re-enter it, you can look out for the arrow icon once again. And you just need to go ahead and create an optional hint for your password if you want. Let me just skip it. And once you do so, you can set up a recovery email that will be used in order to reset your password and restore access to your account. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter it up and hit enter. And once you do so, you will be sent a verification code. And once you complete this process up, the two-step verification will be set up on your Telegram. And that will do so. And that will finish the setup for you. And the two-step verification is now enabled. The next time you log in onto a new device, you will need both one-time password code from your phone's SMS and your two-step verification password to log in into your Telegram. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to set up Telegram two-step verification, this is the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.